tape applications we are going to discuss. Here, the problem what we face when we measure with the metals, when we measure with a metal tape, what is the problem we are going to face? Now we are going to check. Suppose you are standing and you want to measure your height. So when you want to measure your height with a metal tape, which is calibrated at T degrees centigrade, which is calibrated at T degrees centigrade. That means metal plate has been designed at T degrees centigrade temperature. Now what happened means this is the metal tape we are taking here, and that is a 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet. So I'm taking here 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet. So this is a 8 feet metal tape, and we are measuring our height by using this one. So what we are measuring means our height is actually, we can measure as a 5 feet. Suppose let us think our height is 5 feet. So now this is the original length of us. What is the original length? L naught is called as original length. Our original length is L naught, and the measured length is 5 feet. So the measured length and original length, because the scale is calibrated at T degrees centigrade. Suppose you are increasing the temperature. You are increasing the temperature. So if you increase the temperature, suppose increasing means, let me take it as a summer season. I mean to say summer is nothing but we are increasing the temperature. Temperature has been increased. Temperature has been increased. So from T degrees centigrade to some amount of temperature has been increased. The metals has a nature of expanding when temperature increases. So now this metal expands like this. But we humans will not have the expansion like metals. We don't expand when temperature increases, our height will be same. So now what will happen? We are showing the same height. Ourself, there is no change in height. Every time our height is fixed. Our height is fixed. Our height is always, what is our height? L naught, that is the 5 feet, it's the original. So our height always will be 5 feet only. But because of metal expands, the reading what we found now is different than 5 feet. Is different than 5 feet. So what happened here? Here we are noticing that now this is 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So now the height what we are measuring is only 4 feet when temperature has been increased. So I think you understood how dangerous it is to measure our height in summer by using a metal tape, because metal has a characteristic of expansion in with the increase of temperature and contracts when decrease of temperature. Because of this nature, if I measure, this is the original when metal is calibrated temperature T degrees centigrade, the length is the original length L naught, that is our height, suppose 5 feet. We measured length is under the original length, both are same. Original length is 5 feet, measured length is also 5 feet. But like I am saying here, temperature increase. Temperature increase. The metal expands. The metal expands means, so now the height what we are measuring became less. So the measured height is only 4 feet. But our original height is not 4 feet. Our original height is 5 feet. But now we are measuring only 4 feet. That means there is an error in this now reading. There is error in the reading. The error in the reading. Why we got this error in this readings? Because of temperature change. Because of temperature change, we observed error in the reading. Fine. So this happened like that. Suppose now I'll take the situation of winter. What will happen? Winter. What I mean to say winter means, winter is nothing but temperature decrease. Temperature decreased is called as winter. So temperature decreased means temperature decreased automatically. The metal contracts. The metal we told it expands when temperature increased. Now the metal contracts when temperature decreased. So what will happen to the metal height now? That means metal tape. It contracts. It contracts. So it became shortened than original height. So the tape now previously, this is 8 feet till here. Now what happened here? Here this 8 feet has been increased its height because of expansion. Now what happened? Now the metal contracts. Metal contracts, but our height will not change. Our height is always same. Actually our original height is how much? Our original height is 5 feet I told. So our original height is 5 feet. It will remain like that only. But the problem is here. What happened here? Our original height is L not 5 feet only. But what we are measuring, let us observe that one. Here again it contracts. Contracts means they comes close. They comes close means instead of now 5 feet, we are measuring 7 feet. Observe carefully here, beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we are measuring 6 feet. So I think it is always advisable to see our height in winter season because we can measure our height more than our original height. Always we like to have more height, no beta. So it is a very advisable to measure our height with what tape? Metal tape. If you use a metal tape and if you use in winter, you will observe more than your original height, or more height than your original height. That is the advantage in measuring in what season? Winter season. In summer season, we are measuring less than our original height. We are observing only 4 feet here. But in some, not in winter season, more height, 6 feet. In the summer, less height, 4 feet. Summer, less height. Original is 5. In summer, we are measuring less. And winter, we are measuring more. That means there is error. In this one also, we have error. There is error in this scale also. Here also, there is error. So now we have to rectify this error. How to rectify this error? We'll see. Now, I'm taking a fresh page here. I'm writing the two things here. One is a summer situation. Remember, don't be serious about what is summer and winter. Just saying summer indicates temperature is increased. You just understand that one. So, summer means you must not get worried. What is summer? What is this concept? Simply temperature increased. Winter means what should we take? Winter means temperature has been decreased. Temperature has been decreased. So in the both the situation there is error in the two situation. What is the error? What is the error in these two situations they are asking? Let us see here. The error formula. What is the error formula? Change in length. What is the change in length? That is also called as error. So alpha is equal to delta L by delta theta. This is a definition for coefficient of linear expansion. We have formula. Alpha is the ratio of change in length to original length per 1 degree centigrade rise of temperature, or that is the delta theta is the temperature difference. From this information, I can write delta L is equal to L alpha delta theta. Delta L is equal to L alpha delta theta. This delta L is called as error. This delta L is called as error. And delta theta is called temperature difference. Delta theta is called temperature difference. So now, what is the here? What we can say temperature? Okay, we wrote here T degrees, right? So let us write the error as also as delta T, delta T. Here also let us write it as delta T. Anything you can write, no problem. Delta theta, delta T, it doesn't matter. So now, delta T degree centigrade increase and T degree centigrade decrease. Both the things error is there. That error, what should we do? If we observe in summer, we are measuring less than original. We are measuring less than original. Temperature increases, we are measuring less than original. I want to get my original length. I want to get my original length. So now I want to get original length means what should I do? I have to add the error. To get the original length, I have to add the error. So the measure length is L. Let me take L as measure length. Now I am adding the error. So delta L is error. If we add the error, that is summer. And in winter, to get the original length, what should we do? We have to subtract the error. L minus delta L. We have to subtract the error. Subtract the error during winter season. Why? You observe carefully here. Here what happened? We are measuring more length. To get the original length, we have to subtract the error. Here we are measuring less length. To get the original length, we have to add the error. So from that situations, I got this formula. Now, here what is L? L is measure length. L is measure length. The length what we measured is taken as L. And L naught is original length. And delta L is error in length. Delta L is error in length. And L naught is called as original length. So, in during winter, what we told, during winter to get original length, we have to subtract the error. In summer, what we have to do? We have to add the error. So, from this we understood the metal tapes concept. What we have analyzed here, I have taken one metal tape and I measured the length at T degrees centigrade. So when I measure the length at T degrees centigrade, this L naught is the length I found as 5 feet. But now when temperature is increased, because this scale is calibrated at T degrees centigrade, designed at T degrees centigrade. But now we are measuring more than T degrees centigrade. More than T degrees centigrade means the metal tape expands. Metal tape expands. But man will not expand here. Metal tape expands. That means we are observing the error in the reading. Now the measured length is only 4 feet here, but our original is 5 feet. Because of scale is expanding, the readings are widened. And what happened? We are measuring less height than our original height. So that happened in summer. We are measuring less height than our original height. Measure height is less than our original height. Now what happened? We came to winter. Saying winter is nothing but temperature decrease. Temperature decreased means, what should I say? Temperature decreased means this metal tape contracts. Metal tape contracts means the readings comes close here on the metal tape. The readings what they are calibrated, they comes close so that we are measuring more height than our original height. For example, we have taken here 5 feet is our height, but as the readings came close, we are measuring more height than our original height. More height than our original height. So you are measuring 6 feet. That means there is error during temperature increase or temperature decrease. There is error in the reading. So how to identify error means, here we are measuring less height than original height. When temperature increase, we are measuring less height. When temperature decrease, we are measuring more height. So in the case temperature increases, in the case of temperature increases, we have to, what we have to do beta, here we have to add the error because we are measuring less. To get the original height, we have to add the error when temperature increase. When temperature decrease, then original height, original height is less than the measured height, so we have to subtract this error to obtain our original height. So those things I did here. Here LT, L naught is original height. In summer means you have to add the error plus delta L. In winter means you have to subtract the error minus delta L. L is called measure length. L naught is called original length. L is measure length in this formula. L naught is original length. What is this delta L? Delta L is called error in length. Error in length. Like that, we can discuss this metal tape concept.